In this video, we will learn how to create objects in Excel. We will create Word document in Excel. So let's start. Just keep cursor any cell where you want to create the Word document. I select one cell here and then go to the Insert tab. After click on Insert tab, just go to the text and click on the object. Once you click on object, the one dialog box is opened. Here you can see the two tabs, create new and create from files. In create new, the object types, you can see here there are lots of objects available related to Microsoft Word document, Microsoft graph chart, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. I just select the Microsoft Word document, Microsoft Word document. Okay, then click on OK. Once you click on OK, you can see here the Microsoft Word tabs is added here. This tab is a not of Excel. Now here you can write anything. I just write this is a Word document. Okay. Now you can use here all Word tab, and after you done your presentation or you want to write something, so after done it, you just click on the outside of the box. You can see here you back to the in Excel. This all tabs is Excel. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.